No matter what, if you're pumping gas, you still got to be marketing. It's a never-ending thing. Get it? That's guerrilla marketing 101. Always working. Yo, it cost me $60 to fill up my tank. Best believe at every gas station, I'm gonna take advantage of guerrilla marketing. You know, always have your material with you so you can post, but don't be abusive. You don't want to be a nuisance, all right? You want to put them in discreet spots to where, you know, you're not making their shit look crazy or ugly or whatever. You don't want to be abusive. Guerrilla marketing 101.